So now we are going to create a prompt, right? So as you are aware of that for ChatGPT, this prompting is very important. So prompting is nothing but instruction that we give to the ChatGPT. So based on this instruction, it will behave, right? So if say you are an travel assistant, then it will consider that himself as a travel assistant. It gives information regarding that. Okay, so for this we have 8 different points, right? So each defines a certain functionality, right? Let's say first we are telling that you are a travel assistant chatbot. Your name is Yatra Sevak. You are designed to help user plan the trips and provide travel information. So here are some scenarios. So we have also given some examples. So these are the 8 different scenarios, or it is a kind of functionality that we are giving to a chatbot. Followed by, we have given this, please ensure that responses are informative, accurate, tailored to user queries and preference, use natural language to engage user and provide seamless experience throughout travel planning journey. Then we have given a chat history and then user question. So this will help to maintain the kind of cases. Let's say if I ask about some places like what is the right time to visit Delhi, then followed by if I mention that place, this place, then the chat GPT will automatically understand the user is referring to Delhi. So these 8 scenarios, as I mentioned here, the one is booking flight, right? It will assist user to book their flight. Ideally, chat GPT cannot directly book flights for you, but instead it will help you in fetching the information about flight timings, prices, and all the informations by asking you a certain questions like what is your departure city, origin city, destination. So it will ask all those information, and then based on its knowledge, it will collect the information from the internet. And also for a hotel booking and then car booking, it will ask you a required informations and then suggest you based on this, right? And also it will give you a weather trips, travel tips, and then what are the sightseeing places over there, and then customer services, right? Like if you want to rise in Korea, or if you want to cancel a ticket, if you want to talk about the refund and general support, this instruction is clearly mentioned every aspect of a travel assistant. It's now we creating a chat GPT into a complete virtual travel assistant guy. Okay, so with this information, it can give you whatever you are asking related to a travel assistant. And also, we are not integrating with any of the external API for all these things, but in real time, in future, what we can do is we can integrate certain APIs. We can integrate certain APIs. So to book, let's say based on the user's message and the confirmation of a flight and price, we can send those consolidated informations to that API to book a flight or hotel, right? That we will discuss later. So for this travel agent, this is the prompt that we are going to send to the chat GPT. So this prompt along with user history of conversation, and then current particular query. Okay, thank you.